Hey guys, welcome for another video. You are watching. Hey guys, hope everyone doing well and great. So we are making this video after a long time. Yeah. So the main reason behind making this video is recently, from a past a couple of weeks, many of my friends were messaging me "Bro, I haven't took any loan from any app, but I'm getting some spamming messages. And I don't know how my number got leaked or my contacts list got leaked. I haven't took any loan from the particular app, so and so, so and so, so, on. So not only one or two guys, like many people were like came to me, and this like mafia, app loan mafia in India, it is going from past 2.5 years. In a sense, it was there from earlier days only, like even when we were in a college days, from a period of slice p. Like, there are very good genuine apps also, but there are a lot of scammers also. So it depends upon on what app we choose the platform to take a loan, right? So in this video, let me give an insight like how Indian loan spywares or loan scam apps, yeah, like applications works, and how it exchanges the numbers of your contact list for their servers, and how they sell it to the third party vendors, right? So to explain with the demonstration, I have choose one application. I don't know how many people have took a loan from this application, something called Rupito. I remember like this was there around during the first phase of COVID, probably the year of 2020 around. Like after that, I haven't seen this application much more time. I don't know whether it is still live in you know Play Store or not. I was surfing around with the community and I just searched for some old spyware, so I just got it, right. So let me show like how it works for the code wise, right. So to do a static analysis, let me show you the static analysis, because since the dynamic analysis will understand everything easily, right. So let us give you an information with related to code wise, so that if you are a little bit interested towards the malware analysis, you will get an understand of how spyware applications works. It's not only related to loan. I picked up a loan because I got a situation to elaborate. So that's why I am making this video. So let me open my JADAX and let me show you people. This is my JADAX, and let me load my APK. Okay, not this. It takes a couple of minutes to decompile. Let it decompile it. So the chances is here, because see the loan spyware, whenever whatever the loan spyware applications you use, it has one of the like not one, many dangerous functions it will access. For an example, let me show. Let me go to the manifest file. You can see here, right? Read contacts is one of the most dangerous function, permission that is asking, and read and write external storage, that is also very dangerous. And most dangerous is your read SMS, right? And it is also asking your GPS. See, that's what, these applications ask a lot of dangerous functionality, and whether like lot of sensitive functionality. Obviously, read contacts and read SMS. See, if at all, if it is specifically targeting the SMS, then fine. He can send some ID and he can gather only his SMS. But if he's gathering all the inbox SMS, then that is really worse for you people, because there are a lot of things will be there in inbox. Might be personal, might be commercial or a business, right? So having such kind of apps will really put you in a danger. So let us see, like here so far as we have read SMS and read contacts are a very sensitive things. So let us find out like how they are gathering, like how they are sending out the informations, right. So as we know, right, every contact, like every permission has its own API to fetch the data, right? So for a like read contacts, we have something like contacts contract. So if you people don't know like what is contracts, like contacts contract, please go through the Android manifest documentation of Android. I mean, like from the Google, like so that like you will understand what is a context contract. So we choose any one result. I prefer to go with the second one. So here you can see it is fetching the, it is using cursor and it is fetching the phone URIs. So it is fetching the all the contacts phone numbers and it is storing in a query. That's a like one variable. That's it. So here it is separating the phone numbers into string two, and it is putting into a contact, and again contact is set it as an array list. So array list here, if array list is not empty, is calculating the size. So we don't know the size, but our still the value is in array list only. So here some common parameters is getting one more variable. Okay, here array list is again set it into a common parameters variable. So here whatever the data was there, it is getting converted into JSON, right? So whatever it is a data, it is converted to JSON using this function. If you wanna see, you can see how it is converting, right? So go back, let us see, and whatever it is there after it getting converted, it is set into string A. Now the string A has been sent into this function, which is like M1746A, right? So let us see what is happening. And our parameter is the third parameter. So keep a eye on it. So let us go to the definition of that. So here, see, we can see, right? We are searching for a contacts, how it is sending. So string str3 is our contacts. So it's just a log. So ignore that. It is appending to some string. So what is the string? User info, and we have some part of the API URL, right? In a sense, like something like HTTPS xyz.com/API v2 score push. In the sense, probably whatever the your contacts like from your phone book, it has been sent to this particular part of an API. I don't know. We don't know the entire URL. See, entire URL might be hard coded statically anywhere in a code, or dynamically he might get through retrofit or Wally or whatever it is the like developer choice. But the particular API where the contracts is stored is here, right? So here it is the thing, and everything will be set as a string buffer. Now string buffer using HTTP URL connection, it is called, and here is the like open connection. Here it is opening the connection, and you can see the request method post. If people know what is a post, it is something like sending to the server. And if you come back, if you come down input stream, and you can see there is some log message like data is getting uploaded, something like that, which will be showed to the developer, like in a backend, like if he's reading the logs, right? So this is how they are sending. I don't know whether they are hard coded the URL, but I'm not able to. Okay, so fine, might be this field. Let us see string. Let us see the usages of this. HTR4. I don't think so, guys. They have hard coded or not. Okay, where was I? Okay. Okay. No, not this, not this, not this. This here. We get okay. You are here. I missed the path. Okay. Find the usage. Uh, okay. Here it is. So STR4. These are in some Chinese. I don't know why. Like might be decompile issue or I don't know what is the issue. So M154 sync data. Sync data contact. Okay. Sync data contacts. Hmm. Nothing is like might be probably he's getting through dynamically. We have no idea. So let us see if at all if he's install like if he is getting it, he might have given in string.xmls, right? So let us see. Uh, Not always. It's not like mandatory have to give. This is easy pay. HTTP. Okay, this is a Firebase URL. We don't need a Firebase. Sachin WebOScript merchant side DB. Sorry. Uh, Firebase. We don't know. Might be sending to Firebase or whatever. It doesn't matter because we found it already. Like it is sending. It is uploading data to the third party server. Right. Uh, we see the part of the API also. So I tried to open the app. I don't know some error, some exception was caught with some JSON or some SQL error. So because might be the app got hold and there was no maintenance and some bugs might have gotten up. So that's the reason. Okay, let it be. So let me open. Yeah, probably, guys, this is the only like web dot rupee dot in. Probably this will be the host where all the data would be sent. Let me try to open it up. I'll show the virus photos also. Uh, I don't know whether it will be still active. I I doubt. Honestly, I doubt. Yeah, it's not active. Okay, let me check the OIS data. Mm, okay, because it's not opening. Okay, it belongs to Indian only because we have it hot in right. Uh, oh, sorry, I wanted to check OIS lookup. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, any into better. I'm used to Mac now. Like working from Mac to Windows, it's really difficult thing. Still, it is 2022 expert, but I don't see. I think probably only the rupee dot in might work. Mm, I don't know. It's not opening up, but you can see the things right. It is registered in Delhi, and it is bought in 2020. Yeah, that's what. Like I remember when I saw this like particular app during that time only, right? So like that's what like we saw about how the contacts has been fetched. So let us see how SMS has been captured. So to see the how SMS is been captured, content colon SMS is the API used to fetch the SMS from like from your inbox, right? So let us go with the first query. You can see here is a cursor query. It is created. If you come down, you can see this part where it is capturing entire body, like all your inbox messages. It's not particularly targeting something, right? So and it is storing a string to, and it is setting it into message info same way, and the message info is putting into array list, creating array list, the same code flow as we saw with the contacts again, and it is converting into JSON, and they are putting it into as we saw in a string hey, and they're putting into this M1764 the same code we saw, right? And yeah, and they're sending the messages also to the same like API. Uh, CSTR3 same and sending the push, and you can see the same upload data. That's what like they are not even filtering the messages. See, if you install the phone pay or Google Pay or something, they will identify the phone pay messages or Google Pay messages or whatever the messages from their validated key. Okay, they will not read entire your inboxes. There is some way of signature matching or something. Like I'm not so good in development, but I know like there is a way to read only if at all if this matches only you can read SMS, right? So like reading entire inbox is really a evil thing, right? So that's what these loans is also called as some kind of spyware. So what happens here, if at all, if this application is a fraudulent, or I don't know whether this application is fraudulent or good or legit, right? But if at all, if it is a fraudulent, obviously, data is everything and data is the money. So people are ready to pay enough for contacts, and the SMSs like this is like really it is worth like anything, if at all, if they gather any financial SMSs. Like if at all, if you put it some obviously, like when you're paying back the loan, you have to put some banking things and all. And if they're able to find out your account number or IFC, whatever it is. Anyhow, they have access to your inboxes, and if they want, they can misuse it and they can transfer all the money of your account to their account. There are a lot of cases happened like this. And other situation is they will sell out the data simply for third party vendors, marketing people, and so and so, so and so and so, for a good cost. And obviously, right, when it falls into the hands of marketing and so and so people, the annoying things happens. And other worst case, what happens, what I have seen, suppose assume this is the application, okay, this has a weak server management, right? So an hacker can get into that particular server. So now, suppose if I have took a loan from that, like from this application, so obviously this server has synced all my contacts and all my SMS. Now, if an attacker is able to gain a control of that server and is able to see all the people who ever took a loan and their contact list, now he can create a custom phishing message, like something like your role is out, like your loan is outdated. If you don't send like if you don't repay the loan within so and so many days, I will send a like abuse message to your contacts, right? This happens, obviously you'll get abused by someone who you don't know. And see, those numbers are if you open like you will get a WhatsApp message, right? If you see that number and their DP, you will not see like it is not from the authorized company at all. It is from some random number, just like random number, probably the fake number. It happens, or somewhat like sometimes it will the like WhatsApp message will come from foreign numbers, because foreign numbers you can easily create a WhatsApp without a SIM. This happens, like the attacker can leverage the security weakness of like of any particular applications, and he can take out the entire data, and he can create a custom payment link, and he can send that payment link to every one of your contacts, because saying like Shara, like so and so Shaz, whatever it is my name, right? So and so guy, like in your contacts has to so many loan, right? If you like if it doesn't pay like so and so amount, like we'll be raising legal issue, because he has given your name as a nominee or your name as something like beneficiary, right? So this is what happens, and people gets panic, and people gets broke out, or people will get into that anxiety or trauma, right? So whenever you decided to get a loan, get it from a very good authorized and legalized from the government, like slice pay. Like obviously slice pay is very good, it has helped a lot of people, but don't rely on loan apps, guys. I know urgency will be there for everything, but the things are will be not like how we think in a backend. So this is what I wanted to show a small demo. Let me wind up with showing some virus total reports. See, even though disease is a spyware, it will be not detected from any engines, because it is not like code ways, like it is not abusing your device, but it is abusing your privacy, right? So if I don't know whether the like it will show up some URLs for relations. Let me open it. It's opening the graph. Root node. Okay. Hmm. This is the Indian server. Hmm. Open it, yeah. Okay. Okay. That's what, like if you're good in yeah, it's showing the file name. You can check it out, right? And there's amazing Pitas also. You can check it out the tool, because even Pitas also detected that it is probably getting the like SMS sending to the server, right? So yeah. JSON dot set intent true to accept the malware form JSON the line one. This is what like there is some issues like with this application, or else I would have showed you with the dynamic analysis how it is seeking data. So this is about this video, guys. So please be aware of what you are installing, because if you just give one allow access for your contacts or for your SMS, every data will be sent to someone, your own data, right? Your financial data or your personal chats between, if at all, if you're using still normal messages to chat with your girlfriend or boyfriend, and if you have read personal messages, that will be also read by someone, right? So stay safe and don't allow access simply without knowing what it is capable of doing, right? So see you guys in the next video.